As soon as I entered into the shop, my words were wow. Kashmir is not only the most beautiful natural place in India but also known for its exclusive art and craft with a unique heritage. The craft here is handicraft made by hand by using basic tools. Art and craft is spread from utensil, clothes, furniture, jewelry, etc. etc. People here are skilled and dedicated towards their work. Kashmiri shawls and embroidery is famous all over the world. Kashmiris sell their product to the other part of India also. I bought this suit because it has very beautiful combination of red and yellow. This worth me around 1200, but the cotton is very good. Kashmir has very extreme cold weather. So the woolen here is very good quality and will keep you warm in very cold weather. These kind of simple sweaters worth me rupees 1500, but they are very much soft and warm inside. Let's make a move to the section of the sarees. This is Dupian silk sari. It has golden embroidery on basic off-white color. The base color of white will be the same, but the color of embroidery will be different. This cost me around 3500. Let's see another piece of sari. This sari has exclusive handmade embroidery inspired by the nature of Kashmir. The cloth is georgette. This worth rupees 5000. Next sari is on chinon. The chinon is super cool cloth and it keeps you cool whether you are in 40 degrees Celsius temperature. For curtains, bed sheets, carpets of Kashmir, Suzankari art is famous. Let's come to the section of carpets and curtains. The curtains and carpets of Kashmir are very famous. They all are handmade, hand spun embroidery and they are very much expensive also. When you go to the houseboat, you will definitely find this kind of curtains hanging there. Suzankari, Zalakdosi and Kashidakari is basic embroidery handicraft. They are labor intensive and expensive. Let me show you the machine. This is the handloom machine where they made the carpet. The carpet price and its quality depends upon the knots made on the carpet per square inch. Weaving of one carpet can take 6 months to 6 years depend upon the size and the knots on the carpet. Carpets and rugs has design saving culture and heritage of Kashmir. The cost of this carpet is 12,000. So the beautiful combination of colors on the curtains with Suzankari art. This all is inspired by the nature of Kashmir. Let's come to the section of another art, that is paper mache art. This migrant from Persia and introduced in Kashmir. The colors of this art are very much limited as they are natural colors called Sufiana Rang. Keeping this kind of pieces in our house will make you feel elite class and delighted. These are the exclusive pieces. These are the houseboats, the famous houseboat of Kashmir. These all are made up of walnut wood. The walnut wood is very much famous in Kashmir and very much strong also. These are the things which is made up of lots of nakashi in this wood. See the beautiful pieces. Every piece is designed with full effort. People believe in rich look. Keep this kind of items in their house. Their nakashi says their heritage. The work is definitely very much laborious. It takes too much of time. This is walnut cutter. Resting chair. These are small eggs. This worth me rupees 100 only. The paper mache art process is very long. The paper is soaked in water for days and then drained and mixed with copper sulfate, cloth and rice straw. Mixture placed on mold and keep for drying 2 to 3 days. Surface coated with gypsum and glue. The piece separated from the mold and rejoined by adhesive. Final touch is after polishing the piece. Gold ink is also used for making nakashi on the pieces. The ink is made up of natural colors, hence they have very limited colors. You will be shocked to know that the brush they are using for painting is made up of tail hair of goat, cat and donkey. Kashmir Art and Craft has given its exclusive stamp on every piece. So whenever you visit the Kashmir, you must visit the art and craft section of Kashmir. It will give you the completeness to your journey. Till then, take care. Bye for now.